Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Every man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Who play music in my house? Yo, I was pussy that in my house.
Amira, why are you here?
Dad, what the fuck you doing in my house, dad?
I'm a key.
Where you get key from?
I'm missing my cup one.
Dad, what the fuck? Where, my youth? You have there cook salt and fucking water, dad. I cooking that, dad. Come out of my fucking house, dad.
Dad, I'm there cook man. I'm don't cook my left man. I know why you're here, so you tell me say my house or your house, right? That's how I'm there, my youth, dad.
My youth, come out of my house. My youth, you come like Skellyan, dad.
What you mean, you're Skellyan?
What you mean? Cause you always there all the time, dad. Dad, come out of my fucking house, dad. Dad, me see, come out. Yo, come out of my house, my youth. Yo, come out of my house, my youth. You know, so come out. Yo, I'm done. Good? Dad, come out of my house. Hey, boxes like a thing, I can't be trying. Come out, babe. Stop.
Can you cook on?
Mike, come out of my house. Yo, what is it? Dirty brief, boy.
Why are you here, sir? Hey, can I show my house?
I pick the lock.
Pick the lock? What you want?
See, I got alcohol vibes.
Everybody has alcohol vibes. You made me have alcohol vibes.
You need to be straight to me right now, you know.
Hey. You might be straight to you. If you're a batty boy, be straight to you. Man, I always straight to you. Easy, sir.
Yeah, I need to know what's going down.
What's going down? Hey, can't buy man a god. Hey, me get a penguin box in the summer, yeah?
So where do we stand?
You know, some feel like you're mad. You know, some sit down. What do you mean by we are stand?
What's going on for this relationship?
Relationship? It's a deep one relation boat. Why you get mad? Hey, no, yo, come on.
I'm gonna need it for act like a cockroach right now and fly away. Come out of my house. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Dad, get some food, dad.
Dad, food dad.
Ayo, me know me not mad, dad. Me left my food right beside dad.
Food dad. I'm eat it, man. I'm not eat
You eat my food, dad. My youth, you know, see we see all in your pump pussy and eat it, my youth. Good dirty that rasta clock boy with a lock stink like down a throat. Why you come know why you're so a big pussy, mama, my youth, with your stinking foot. Pussy, a long time, friend of them for stop like you come out of my yard, you know. Good dirty that rasta boy. Man, I left on me yard now to my youth. Man, go your bumbo clock, you dirty that rasta boy. Hungry belly pussy.
I got joke me already, my youth. You fool on the microwave, dog. Dog, so I say you really feel one of my youth? You look at argument time,
dog, you're into a joke, dog. You know, say I'm a
nigga. Stop back your mother, youth. You have come here, sir. You come talk about man stink, youth. Remember, you know, me have my papers, you know, straight pussy, me call immigration pan here.
Dog.
After all, dog, remember me have a card. You not papers at all. Suck your mother, youth. Batty boy.
Babe, why are you cheating on me?
You ever accuse me of cheating? Why you accuse me of cheating? What me know?
You have all these girls calling your phone, texting your phone, and you really feel like there's nothing going on?
What? You know what? I call my bridging, I'll show you I'm not cheating. I say my bridging.
Okay, whatever.
Yo, where you doing, man? You know, some girlfriend I talk about man I cheat, like, I don't know I'm throwing a dog.
Oh, Rachel, what's so much thing that?
Who's Rachel?
Dog, not...
Oh, Kimmy.
No, bro.
Kenny?
Watch it. Yo, that's easy. Yo, where you doing, man? Otherwise, still.
Yo, the brown cat from last night, the bucket.
Where did you go last night?
Yo, don't listen to him. One thing, yo, Frost.
Yeah, shout out to remember because you thought I couldn't talk to the brown cat last night.
Impressed.
No. Where you go last night?
Impressed, babe. Just watch it now. Impressed. Yo, see they did that thing that old school and them thing that go dog.
Why you change the subject for?
Everything smoke on my one last night, you leave on here.
Yo.
I'm glad you use protection.
Now listen.
I'm going to go back a yard outside.
Buck at it again.
Outside, cool. What regular cooking on my
Baby. It again. Ear in your soul, girl. Facebook ear in your soul, girl. Facebook ear.
Oh my God. My God, you let him say, the man gonna feel around.
My God, that me kill a man.
Kill me?
How you girl kill?
Dead? Me I tell you that girl dead in your son tonight.
Transform? Catch me. You see if you ever been in? You see if you ever can catch me? Watch me. Catch me.
Me done fucking girl already. Kill that boy already. Fuck my girl. Me done fucking girl already. You can't catch me. Me gone. You can't catch me. Back at it again. How you do? Hero faster. Hero fast.
Zaga.
How with them girl I want from me, man? The other day, me and a girl I fuck. Here the girl, move faster, move faster, move faster. Me have to ask her if she think this is blood clad Lion King.
No Bounty and Beanie that don't get up. Eh? You know, say Beanie love style people though. But me still gonna hear them, you know, come hot. Tell now.
Yeah, man, killer. I see one girl on mine, man. I'm actually shot backside company.
Let me talk to you. You see the joke, the way you just run look while. No tell no more about the joke there. Make it stay right or something.
But at it again. Killer, what go on?
Killer, hello, when you're done. I'm telling you that.
Beanie, me tell you about the jokes up the way you love running or you would stop it. How who you, man?
A world dog, I mean a lucky place in a killer.
Well, listen me. World goat, world hagger, world blood clad puppy. Use a little clown. Every day me see up on this blood clad social media run up and down like any blood clad naked peaky. I want to hear you. You think that 21st century this more tang. Clear out before you get your blood clad high glass beer out.
You just have this man, you have the something, you have nanny. You're over this one, you breathe, you're in here, you're exhale, you do a bag of something over this thing. And you know what? Leave. Leave out, leave.
You sure I'm leave?
Leave, you get, leave.
Alright.
Jay!
Hey, come on, leave.
Leave, because you want to go for a long time. Exhale, like say. Anyway. Why you stress me?
What is it? Call it. Someone. Hello, Jay?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Asa mo tell you?
May you want to tell me, Gibbs?
Sa mga voice mail. So, kang baka next time.
Alam mo nga rin na dag.
Dog, what going on? You tell me, you
Tell them niggas what, nigga? What the fuck, nigga? I ain't tell them niggas nothing, nigga. I ain't no informer, nigga. You informer, nigga?
No, dog, you inform with that, inform for dead, dog. You don't want to inform with.
Facts, nigga. Facts. I ride for my homies, nigga.
Jaiifrais!
Yeah,
You
nigga.
put him a calm them on you.
Alright, nigga, make sure you don't fucking tell them niggas nothing, nigga.
Zip like one of
Alright,
them,
nigga.
see dog?
I am constable, I don't give a fuck. You look thirsty, you want some water?
Good, man, I'm not thirsty.
Alright, let's get to this then. Who killed the man? So no, you can't talk, Okay. Don't talk. You see how you look like Tracy Chapman, you look dirty, natty them. Then we know what to do with you in a prison.
What you talk about, you know?
Kisco tell me say, are you kill the man?
So,
I deaf or me, I go crazy or something like, me I eat that.
I tell you, say, Kisco can't tell you.
Kisco tell me say, are you kill the man?
Kisco kill the man. Say, Kisco, don't kill the man. Shoot him in the leg, not in the leg. Guess what Kisco do? Guess what he do? Shoot him in the blood.
Me have evidence if put the two out in a
I don't need kill him, man. Kisco! You're the car, Kisco, you're coming to the boy, I know. You're killing the boy, no time for the boy, you're 25 guys.
Dad, you know someone buy a girl a bullet for her Christmas?
What kind of gun she got?
No, dad, not them type of bullet. They don't know the bullet, them but the girl them put on the clit.
Yeah, that's my dad.
Dad? Nah, you know, we just there tell Kisco someone buy a girl a bullet for Christmas.
That man need them thing them on you. That one is one of my girl, I'm let the girl triple better.
What a lie I tell
I
you?
said the girl could want the girl fan.
Why you take out the lies on my youth?
You want to call her?
Call her right now.
You want to call her?
I better say no call her. Chesh!
Oh, go on.
Hey.
What do you do with it? Wicked.
What are you talking about? You didn't do shit. What? What are you saying?
I must have tell some back there, but
Yeah, you made me come with your tongue.
Yo, stop.
I'm not playing. I'm not writing jokes. You didn't beat it up. You eat it up. What are you talking about?
Yo, when I pass
I don't care. I don't care. You eat it.
Nah, come give me a link.
I can't. I gotta go to work. Somebody calling me. Hold on.
See, they can't pan call. Do you think mom there, so?
Hey, Jaiifrais.
Where you depend today?
Nothing. I have no plans. Why? You wanna link?
Yeah, man, we can't link. We come more.
I have my cousin on the other line. I'm gonna tell her I'm gonna call her back. Alright, hold on.
Alright, do your thing.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, Empress is still there.
Bumbo, what is?
Yo, Umbra, who you? I mean, name Delray from Bumbo Club Matches Lane. I mean, make up your blood clot road. You know me, Bumbo Wall?
Did I? Are you that?
Oh, this G?
Bumbo Club, it's an idea.
I'm going to charge you.
Man. Are you a girl too?
Yeah, man, me a fuck her
At
too.
least that you don't know my youth. Yo, watch out. Yo, dad.
What?
My girl, it's a big plat up on the phone. Come on for the phone, man. Aren't you? Yeah, dad, I'm a good man. You see them kill Jerry.
I lie.
Play ball later?
Eh.
Later, we link up, chat. Look at me.
Alright, now say a word, my brother.
What the?
Let me see video of the singer Bahamas.
How are this? Let me see.
Oh, na.
Youth, how that on the ground? Hold on them man, let me call Beanie.
Oh, Nana.
Beanie,
Kila what?
have which party I perform this weekend?
I got Trinidad, then I go
You see
Bahamas.
that me call you about Beanie. You see Saturday when you go to Bahamas. You see the beard up face brother the way you always apart say your security. Make sure you walk with about 3 more of them. Because me here say them and knock out dread over them.
Kila auntie. I jam saying.
What you mean, Beanie? Not even Jack can cure you right now. Listen me, Beanie, you know say your ribs them not too good. Beanie man, walk with 4 security guard.
I tell Jack can save me.
That's right.
I see already kila. I dey feel like me a go again, you know. Yeah man, I stay as Jamaica man. I'm not gonna away.
Okay.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Peace.